great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has the programmable memory seat, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. Rubber floor mats on the floor. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidering in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and rear window slider. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with navigation. This touch screen also displays the outside temperature, the time, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, hill descent control, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, front and rear tinted windows, running boards down below, chrome door handles, a hard tonneau cover, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has some storage compartments and a power plug-in, rubber floor mats on the floor. This middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can also raise the rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.